This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. So to start, you will need to power your smartphone off by launching the, power off menu. So simultaneously press the volume up and power buttons, and then power your smartphone off. Once your device is entirely switched off, press and hold the same buttons simultaneously. Those are volume up and power keys. So hold them like that. Then release the power button once you see the Xiaomi logo, but keep holding the volume up key until you will see the main menu interface. And that will be it. Here is your recovery menu. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.